Yeah.
Oh,
Stop. Oh, does it all come out? Oh. Stop.
alright.
You got things, wipe it up. Should really set that to 900. Should I?
Can do. Is it any more water yet?
Not yet, no. Oh yeah, it does now, yeah. I think that's it.
Yeah. Kind of.
Yeah.
Of course, I haven't mentioned that there's 2 kettles of water.
Oh yeah, two kettles of hot water in this.
Because they should do a hot fill to aid the heating.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, it feels about 40, that's good.
Oh yeah, it does as well.
It's only easy to get 50
God.
because I was going to do 40 because of the new items, but then Philip wanted to see that easy to 50 and I got down to only 50, so I thought, well, 50 is going to be fine, so...
Stop. Yeah, short washes on. What else was I going to say? Oh yeah, it's only 50 ml of powder in because we're only freshening new stuff up.
So you've done the new box and you like freshen up new items, it should be alright.
Yeah.
I haven't selected my one, it's not much when it took forward, how much a little bit more into slightly higher.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't automatically do like a sort of synthetic level, which is a little bit higher, but
Yeah.
it's good to have sort of slightly higher level to be safe.
Yeah. What do you class as synthetic?
Not on this.
Well, no, like fabric-wise.
Oh, that's not on.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, I might need to.
You've got sort of synthetic level in there?
Yeah, well, it's got about the same level as my Zanussi would have, I think. So it might need a tad more. I'm trying to figure. It's about 40, just under, I'd say.
Yeah, it's not long then, probably 5 minutes to see.
Yeah, probably is that. Probably won't take 5.
That'll do now, won't it?
Yeah, it should do. This does 2 main wash stages, doesn't it?
Not a short wash.
Oh, really?
No, only the one. This one, then the heating. Well, this bit before the heating, then the heating.
Yeah. Oh.
So basically, we've got one new match protector.
3 t-shirts.
3 t-shirts, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, well, 2 t-shirts and a polo shirt.
Oh, yeah. And there's another load of whites going in the middle at the moment. That was like full enough to go on. That's on minimum 60.
Yeah.
So we're not going to wash race or anything. It's just like put them all together really. Well, Mina went off first. It's heated up now, but.
Can't really. Oh yeah. Heating stages where that dot is. I think we're just gonna.
No, it's the.
What is it? It's pause there.
No, not first. Sorry, one. It's a fast tumble down because it does that.
Oh yeah.
It always does a shorter clockwise tumble, and like if then it does, like sometimes it doesn't. Well, then it does one at all. You know, just.
I'm just trying to think. Why does it do the short tumbles, and then switch to these tumbles without heating. Usually most machines do the short tumbles, then hit heating when it's...
Yeah, there's always a way it's done it really, I don't know, it just... Is it still feeling warm?
It's down to about 30, I think.
Oh, you're right, actually, that's a nuisance.
Yeah. Oh, well, there's a bit of warmth in it at least.
Yeah, there's sort of...
But then don't forget, we did add a bit of water, so...
Yeah, I should have put a hot thing for that, shouldn't I? Really? Mind you, I suppose, at least...
You need to get a hot fill in this garage, really. Be better, wouldn't it?
Yeah, there's no button though. Unfortunately.
Yeah, I definitely need to get one of these.
Yeah, they're good machines.
Yeah. I keep going off on... keep thinking I want one, and I keep going off the idea, and then... one day I'll get one.
Yeah, you should.
I might get one to replace Tristy Bendix when that dies.
Might have lots of life left in it yet.
Well, as I said, the shock absorbers are gone, both inlets are packing up. The bearings are on their way out.
What machine are you using instead of the hot one at the moment?
I'm still using the hot
Oh,
one.
I thought it had broken.
Yeah, it has broken, but
You're just using it
I'm
anyway?
still using it anyway, because I think I'm just seeing how it handles it. If the shock absorbers end up packing up, then, well, I don't know, I'll probably end up swapping over to the Zanussi or the service when it's fixed.
Oh.
If it gets fixed. Come on, go to heating, damn it.
It's about 10 minutes at this stage. Well, when you start it.
Yeah.
Does that first stage of this bit, and it's all about 10 minutes long.
Yeah.
Irritating really, but...
Oh well.
But, of course, it's meant to be a hot fill, so it wouldn't be so bad, really.
We've sort of done hot and cold, really, so, you know.
Yeah? Yeah? What's that? What's this going? Yeah. I know. I'll get next week.
Yeah, it's surprising how good condition your machine is internally, actually. You know, the door seal hasn't actually got any mould on it.
I always keep it clean, don't I?
Yeah, I mean, like, usually most machines have a bit of mould on it.
Well, it was probably in reasonable condition when I got.
Yeah, probably did, yeah.
And I've always done boil water in it, so keep it nice.
Yeah, well no, I'm just trying to think, there probably was a bit of mould on it to start with, but it was sort of a live mould, because sometimes you get dead mould, you know, like on mine. But it's just a stain. Yeah, if it was hot fill, it probably wouldn't even heat.
No, I doubt it, would it?
Well, yeah. Probably heat for about a minute and that'd be it. Now heating. I'll catch up with this when we're on the first main wash stage. Bye. Okay guys, we're at 50 now, we're on the main wash. You know, I feel film long on this because I want to get a couple of rinses in. Does 3, doesn't it?
Yeah, 3 on. Yeah, probably that rain one means it's drained a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
No, because it's
Oh, that's because of the bit.
still, you know, the fill drain thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, hang on, I need to get on the other side.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, because it didn't look long, was it?
Nope, not long. I need to make sure this bucket's sorted. Oh,
Yeah, there's a bit.
it won't be wet. I was thinking it's got the wash water.
Yeah.
Not behind the
Probably only fill one bucket up.
Yeah, should do. Spins won't be that bad because,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, because it's only 400, isn't it?
Yeah, there's not even that much in there, is there?
Well, no, the mattress protector will probably throw out a bit.
Yeah. No, short wash is good, but just, you know, a few bits like this just really need just to, you know,
Yeah.
freshening up from, you know, because they're only new, they're not actually dirty, they just need to be washed before use. Or like wash stuff before use, some people don't. But
Well, I don't often, I just thought it might help you whites and make up the whites load.
yeah, I mean, I could have, I suppose, you know, I would have had enough if I'd just, but then I would have only had that match couple more t-shirts with me all of it. That's a bit
Does it spin after the wash?
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, I'll catch this on the spin after wash because it won't cool down. Okay, we're on the first in-turn spin after the wash. Just draining out. Are you going to be alright doing that, yeah?
Yeah. Should fill more than one bucket.
Alright. Still a bit of detergent there. Still a bit of detergent. I think that's detergent on the side of the seal there. Oh well. It remained. All the interns 400, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, and then final spin's 900.
400 and 900,
Yeah.
Not that balanced, is it?
No. It doesn't look it. We'll see instead. Oh, yeah, it is a bit.
Yeah.
He's shaking a bit there.
Must be on level. It won't be supposed to, I don't know why.
This front left foot must need adjusting. Either that or the right one needs dropping.
Is it going to fall off?
That's me. No, it shouldn't.
Oh, that's it.
That GT85 rocking around like hell. Yeah. Huh? It is trying to. Okay, we're on first rinse. No.
How high is it now?
Not even showing yet. Just hit the door seal. Yep. Just hit the glass.
Slow it down a bit, then we've got...
Yeah, oh yeah, because it's timed, isn't it? I forgot about that.
It is.
What? Why did it do such a rubbish tumble?
Oh, it did that.
A little bit of fluff there.
Left one down?
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yeah, you better be quick. Water's pretty clear already.
Oh, yeah, it's not foaming up badly.
No, it's pretty clear, the water.
Yeah. Sometimes I wish this only had two instead of standard, because sometimes two is enough.
Yeah, well this doesn't do an automatic overflow, does it?
No, well, no, because it's got fuzzy logic, so it just tells you the amount of water it needs, you know. It does.
This is actually more advanced than I thought, this machine. You know, because it hasn't got a half load button. I've only just noticed.
No, it kind of does it itself, doesn't it? It does the low level.
Well, yeah, because it's time to rinse though, so...
For easy care.
Oh, is
well,
it?
and cotton's full load, but cotton's half load, or cotton's smaller load. It does a sense to rinse, so you know it depends on how much it needs.
Oh, right.
Needs, got a hospital. But you know,
yeah,
senses how much it needs.
That's fair enough.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It should have done that earlier, but I think I'm not sure why it didn't. It's probably to do with the way that probably perhaps because we put some water in first, then starting with the only real way of doing it. Otherwise, it's tumbling with no water in it.
Yeah.
And when you want to do a hot fill, it's difficult unless you're going to have sort of more than one kettle, ready.
Yeah.
Oh, my slide. Idiots.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll film this rinse and then I'll film final rinse and spin, because all the rest are the same, aren't they?
Yeah.
No, you wouldn't use softener on these, would you?
No, mattress covering.
No, you're not bothered anyway.
Definitely no softener on the mattress cover.
Why is that?
Well, I think it's bugging them up. Because they're sort of slightly waterproof, aren't they? It's supposed to be, you know.
Oh, yeah.
It sort of apparently messes them up.
It's fair enough, yeah.
Because I used to. A couple of years ago. Well, probably 3 years ago, but now I never do because...
I still do. I didn't actually know it messed them up.
Yeah, that's what they say. Go away.
No, I just stopped using softener on towels and jeans and that's it.
You don't use any on jeans?
No, I don't use any now.
Alright.
Because you said it messes them up or something.
Did I say?
Yeah, so it's to do with the colour or something.
Oh, they say on
the label. Does it have the label or something?
They say on the label.
Okay, so guys, we're on final rinse. On rinse hold for some reason.
Always going like that.
Yeah. Probably like if you select it manually or something, like to start with. Might be able to hear the meal draining again.
Yeah. It's just draining from rinse.
Yeah, must be about 26 minutes now. Let's go on that.
Should have drained at 28.
Oh right. Well, yeah.
What is this? Wait, no, 28, 27? I think it's 28.
I thought it was 27.
It might be. I think it is 27. Yeah. I shall make sure I look on the next thing I know to do. Yeah.
As I said, it seems to have only just drained, so it must have been 27. Might be able to hear the machine spinning now.
Second burst, that one.
Was it?
Yeah.
God.
500.
really quick wash this, actually, now I think about it.
Good though.
Yeah.
Especially if your items are new and need a quick, like, it's good.
Yeah.
Raining anymore, isn't it?
Fly crawling up well.
Huh?
Flies crawling up well.
Kill it?
Yeah, I did, I whacked it off. Ow.
Did you kill it?
Dunno.
I hope you did. I'm feeling out of mosquitoes at the moment in the evenings. Oh, yeah. Something nice. Come on, Bosch, that's what time to drain. There we go.
Now it is.
Sorry? Oh yeah, I'll do that for you in a minute when we've just done this, don't worry. I'll hose that grass, that's fine. Won't take a minute. Sorry? Oh okay, I'll do that first if you like. Oh, can't I just gently sprinkle it with a hose? It'd probably be quicker and easier than buggering around.
This might give bounce trash.
Oh, is it? It's only 400, so hopefully it might spin. No, I'd say that sounds right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should do, no, I might be wrong. I think it should, but you never. It's
well, most of it's all on one in one section.
Oh, good,
Right. Yeah, it's really unbalanced.
You should have seen the beach towel video I did.
Yeah, I think I did see it. Now I remember.
That was something terrible. You think that's unbalanced?
Yeah. Did it not hit the cabinet?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going to fall off. You might just go to one level. I don't understand it.
Oh, we can sort that out in a minute. Once it's...
Ouch.
Try that bit of cardboard.
Yeah, I think that was underneath, wasn't it? Trying to stick it back there.
Not really helping much.
Is it up a bit?
I think it has now.
Yeah, it looks like it actually.
Yeah.
Maybe we can adjust the speed.
Yeah. Well, it's easy enough.
Well, I'll probably do this as the last load this evening. In this, I'll do some more in the meter, but I'll probably
Yeah.
do more in this now and then.
Okay, so we've done the 400 spin, and then we're going to redistribute and go up to 900.
I just hope the garden. Oh yeah, the tumbles. Of course, I was thinking it's cotton, and this is easy to that's the 2 anti-grease tumbles.
Oh, right. There we go again.
Got something to choke on.
Hey? Yeah, it's trying to.
I don't know if it kicks out, it's not as strong, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
You know how you can hear it when it's going to go again? Like
yeah.
Christy Bendix is pivotal for it.
Yeah.
When I was in Cornwall.
There you go. Yeah, mine is as well.
You do hear it and you think, but once it gets to a strong kind of chug, you know where there's no... Like,
yeah, same with my Zanussi as well.
Keep it. There's more water to come out, so I think it may well not keep that.
No, it's gone.
Got to, isn't it? Where it's going to go. It's strong. It's going to go. It's going to keep.
Yeah, well, I can't hear it.
Are you going to pull?
No, not yet.
What if I jumble that up and try and stick it up?
I think you pulled it out to mop up some stuff.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
I think you had cardboard under it last time I see it.
Did I?
Yeah.
I remember changing what was under it, but you know, I might have done that.
Okay, so we're at 900 now. I can hear it chug, I can't tell. I'm slowing down.